So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to blur face in Picsart. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Picsart app. On there you can see some of the options you're given once you create an account. In order to blur a face, you will need to first go to the editor. So add a project by clicking the plus sign, upload the photo you want to edit. So I'm just going to use an untitled project I already have. So I will go to here, and on here you can see the layers on there, and you can see some of the other options on here as well. And once you get back to the beginning, so you can see tools, effects, text, retouch, and so on. If you go to the tools, you can see a lot of stuff has now opened, like crop, free crop, shape crop, clone, AI replace, stretch, motion, enhance, adjust curves, selection, tilt, shift, perspective, resize, flip, rotate, AI enhance, and AI expand. Now you will need to go to selection. And once you've clicked on selection, you can see at the bottom rectangle, oval, you can see select. Once you click on select, which will be this third and the middle button, you will see the option face. And once it finds a face, let's say this one, you can see some of the effects, so you can adjust it on here. And you can choose the option of blurring the face. And once you clicked on that, click on apply and the face will be blurred. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Picsart or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.